Ki Borpulit Karibhoy District Mantakasngi kila beteng biang ban mi surok bantalasi yaki kali ki balik bawan hakeleng ki banta Jongka District hakaba u Superintendent of Police Karibhoy District u VS Rathor ulami banyalam yaka kunhun ki pulit. Hakane kasngiru ki pulit kila bat naphang yaki kali ki balik bawan kentup yaki he bat ki kali red. Labat yaki nongnya kali ki bapen kenyan. Ki bakentup ya ki banyak kali hapedeng ka jingbu at kian ki kali ki bom don kot don sla ki kali ki bapendat ya ki light ki bathaba ki kali ki bata yit yong bat ki wei la ban kedeu ba ka jingiar u Superintendent of Police ban kershan ya la ka kunhun la pentri kam hok ya ka an ban pen sitom ya ki bapen khen an habanya kali hakaba om syam lamap ya ki nongnya kali bapen khen an laru ban kedeu hangne bayakane ka jingyar talasi ki Borpulit Karibhoy lakershan bat ya trailang bat ka office trekam u district transport officer lemru bat ki Bor Penet district lane ka office trekam u deputy commissioner Karibhoy district.
Example of best no pekani normal light napan kelar no pekani ini kalau kelar mesti semua gani pe normal light sir apa kami gila itu accident no ini jaga ke normal light kamu dah halau je okay no problem ini क्या तो ना अपना से बोलो इसको बोले सर पीछे वीआईपी कम हुआ है सर ट्रक को निकालो जरा ऐसा नहीं जोर से फूको नहीं आवाज नहीं आ रहा है फूको नंबर लग गया नहीं आप नॉर्मल लाइट भी है क्यों क्या जरूरत है ये क्या लग रहा है अभी आपने बोल देता तो खोल दे नहीं हम बोलते नहीं गए नहीं मैं वैसे खोल दूंगा डाकलास हटाओ डाकलास और वो लाइट को तोड़ दो आ जाओ साइड में ब्रेक द लाइट आ जाओ साइड करो
Police has been conducting this exercise, and today we thought that the magistrate should also, from DC office also, we should join hands in ensuring that all the traffic regulations are followed. So, the ultimate objective is to save lives. So that's why we have the DTO office, which also has joined forces today, and the idea is ultimately to save lives. So what we are observing is that the violations have obviously come down. However, still it's a long way to go. And what made me come down is basically the idea that with all these intensive checkings going on, DC office also felt that as the chairman of the District Road Safety Committee, we should also play our part, and that's why we are here.
So there was a lot of request on social media especially that this checking should not be a one-time affair, it should be done regularly. So in fact we agree with that, our plan was also like that. So today, in fact, we called DTO also, the executive magistrate, the district magistrate himself is here. So we want to give a strict message to all the traffic violators. However big and mighty you might be, but law will be applied equally to all of you. Doesn't matter whether it is an auto driver or a dumper truck driver or a Mercedes driver, doesn't matter to us. If you violate rules, we will be taking action as per law. Think that he or she is above the law. So we are conducting checking, especially the target is to check obviously the driving under influence of alcohol and over speeding. Because most of the accidents which have happened were because of these two reasons. Obviously there are some hot spots, black spots in the highway, that is obviously one of the reasons, but mostly either the driver was under the influence of something or he was over speeding. So we want to check this properly, and whole force is here. Almost we have deployed almost 100 people so that both lanes are equally taken care of. At the same time, all the other field units like Rani Jirang, Patharkama, Khanapada, Barnihat, this side Umsning, Umyam, Umroi. Same exercise is going on at all the stations. In fact, our Eric, the executive magistrate, he is down there in Umsning. So all the units are on road right now, and this is a strict message. Don't violate the rules because life is more important than anything else. That is the whole thing.
Sa liang ka office jong ka DTO ngi batas ngi la ya don lang bati SP bat EDC ban check igi driver ki bumdan license bat ki kali ki ba bu ki batait yong ki bumdeng seat belt ki bumdeng helmet ngi la ya check lot ya kata ngin nang ni sakmat ngin nang check man la ki ipor bat ai ku blai kham tam e baro baki la ya tray lang benkat ban check igini ki violation ki ba niki kali ki banyak kali the department jongi ngin ai check man kapor hi nang ni sakmat ba lai hi ba menakini ki sngi bun ha ki accident ki ja gayap ki breu bun ki ba yap jeng accident ni nak kata kadau ba ngila penlong ya kan ka checking jing syang nakaliak ko office ni MVI la shim hi ki driving test nang bahagi kani banyak damit ngim jing syang ju le hi ban test banyak kali damit no ban pen me light ki high beam ki low beam ju hikai gitu tang ngi yai ken mau ki bawan le interview ba ki de ban respect ba mendai ban pen me ki high beam pornya kali damit nang ba tu bawan nakawai ka site kataba khmat umui ma bun sin de nakata kadau sa jaga accident sya kedui ki ba apply license bikin one hida ladi mendai ban ai pateng anu nang ba ka kanya baik ka kam jongki MG sya ya kalanas license kan support at least si banai then hadin si banai de kila anang banyak kila anang ban dadong sadong tengi sa ai license hadin si banai
यानो चंगा डीसी सर दंगा आरो एसपी सर दंगा आरो डिस्ट्रिक्ट एडमिनिस्ट्रेशन आरो पुलिस नि गता आंचं जेरांगान या रामावरि एंगा चम गारि दं वारं जेरांगान वायलेट खाइंगा नियम रंगखौ पे मुंना जेरांगान एंगा चम बा चुरंगे हाबिजाबे के मुंना रामारांगो जेरांगान ओया जेके गारि सालिंगा चम वारंखौ चंगा नि रखना गतया एडमिनिस्ट्रेशन गता नि रखनिया आरो जे आकोदे मामुं सरकरांगो आसे लंजना गता बा मामुं एक्सीडेंट नि खबरं दंजना गता पब्लिक रंगना जे आकोदे नमे रामारांगो जे आकोदे नमे रेना मनगे चम गता चंगा नो नि रखनिया आरो जेबा इनो रामाओ रेगेनसम कमकान नियमनि गता ताकेन आरो जे दारांबा इनो नियमनि कोसाखौ उजा वरिमन लाकान नमे रामारांगो गारि सालचिना आरो लाकान सेफलि ओंया थांनि जे चिरि पेस मोचे सुखं खाचिना आरो कमखन मलेंगा नियमखौ जारखिना आरो नमे रामा थांखौ फलो खाय आरो मामुं रंगा चागै रामा थांखौ सालजासिना आरो स्पेशली जेरांगान लाइट रंखौ ओंगाय जेके जाखालियाचम बा हाई बीम लाइट रंखौ जाखालिंगा बरं खासाफाय आंथा थां नियमनि गता दाखाचिना ओके जेरांगान
Pidon kam nong shondur ne nong ringdur hakijing kawai jongpi ne kijing kendu sa kan mau jongpi pun shangi ngin penle mangi katkum kajing kwa jongpi kador gababit la kadai mensi ne menmin pranyo lai ariwei sau iwei Pidon kam projector ban peni film ne pidon kam projector nak bentai ki awareness program jongpi pun shangi ni ai wai shapi Pranyo laiwei kendai hendriwei arnyo lai. Ke Carnival Fest ke Henrio ha Umsning. Laisni lenter kendai shipo bat katwei jari kurisau arhajar arbusan hamadan Umsning Town Dorbar. Labu ujig temu bakapisag bami onirap siya school Umsning Town Dorbar Secondary School. Nalor ka bam gadi ka ba on penbang pensinyam. Kindon kijing penbernya na kinongwai bapau gazela. Ka hausi bumper ka lucky draw bat kiwei. wan sepi wan ma abahi kata masa ste tang bayarap ia ke school se nagbanta ke jingtip ki babanya phone hagi number henry not kendai arnyo line nyo ar lani pranyo non riu sau henry nyo